Remember those early whispers about a fan edition version of Samsung's clamshell foldable? Well, the rumors were right on the money. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is now official, and it's launching soon. For months, the biggest mystery was, what's powering this device? That question has finally been answered. Samsung has equipped the Z Flip 7 FE with its in-house Exynos 2400 chipset. And now, thanks to a fresh Geekbench listing, we have some performance numbers to go with it. The international variant, carrying the model number SMF761B, has made its benchmark debut. Under the hood, it features a 10-core CPU configuration, one prime core clocked at 3.21 GHz, two performance cores at 2.9 GHz, three mid-tier cores at 2.59 GHz, and four efficiency cores running at 1.96 GHz, a balanced setup for a foldable in the FE category. Graphics duties are handled by the Samsung Xclipse 940 GPU, and the listing also confirms 8 GB of RAM on board. As for performance, the single-core score lands at 1,940, while the multi-core result hits 6,136. Solid numbers that reflect the strengths of the Exynos 2400. While it's not aiming to outperform flagship giants like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it delivers exactly what you'd expect from a fan edition foldable. Reliable power, well-optimized performance, and great value. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is ready to breeze through your daily tasks, handle light gaming, and juggle all the multitasking that comes with relying on its cover display. Worth noting, there's no Snapdragon variant this time around. The Exynos 2400 will power the Flip 7 FE worldwide, so every market enjoys the same performance. Expect the official unveiling at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9th in New York City, where it will share the stage with the Z Flip 7, Fold 7, and the new Watch 8 series. So what's your take on these benchmark figures? Does the Exynos 2400 pack enough punch to make the Fan Edition Flip 7 a must-have? Share your thoughts below. I can't wait to hear your verdict. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.